24th January, and this day is observed as National Girl Child's Day. And the script of this play is based on this subject. So I'll take you to a family of 7 members. These are grandmother, grandfather, father, mother, one sister, and one brother. And it is an, please note that this is an orthodox medium class family, and they do not give importance to a decent upbringing of a girl child. In their opinion, a girl has to only do household chores, and she's just fit to help raise a family. Oh, where is Milan? Can I have my medicine, please?
Milan, Milan, can't you hear? Grandma is calling you.
Are you listening?
Milan, where are you?
Yes, Mama, I am here.
Oh,
Go
can
and
you please
see
come?
what happened. Grandma is calling.
Okay, Mama. I will do.
Hey, where were
Oh,
you,
Bindu.
Milan? Why couldn't you
Mama,
hear?
are
I
you?
was shouting. I was shouting to get my medicine. Where were you? Could you
Mama,
listen to
please
me?
take it. Well,
Okay. If Milan wants to study, let her continue.
Oh,
Mama,
today +2 result will come.
Mama, our result came.
Huh? Is it? Okay, tell me how is
Yes,
your result?
Mama. I just passed. My result is only 60%.
No problem.
Mama,
Yes.
Okay, Mama. Thank you.
Mama, I got distinction. I want to
Oh,
go to study in continue.
no, dear. See, Papa, what she's asking, she wants to go for further studies.
What is this? No, 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 no. Next month I will go to Palakkad in Lakshmi Nagar to talk about her marriage. I
Yes,
decided that.
that's a good idea. Yeah, that's a good idea. Before that, I will have to teach her everything. She is bothered about studies.
Even if he's not got good marks, he's been encouraged to do further studies. And this girl, she's pleading to go for further studies, and nobody's even listening to her and making excuses not to continue.
Mama, Papa, I am going to study. Continue the study. I am working everything in our house. My dream is learn to become a teacher. I can't find the money. Also, we cash from the studies myself. Take tuition for kids and other artwork will I am doing. Um, please please don't do my marriage before that, Mama. Please.
See, Milan, I told you once. Why don't you understand? Well, your
Mama,
marriage this only will be
Mama,
more.
ask
And
Milan to
after
give
that,
me some water.
Milan, go get him some water.
Okay, Mama. Sham,
Bindu, I have.
your
Hello.
water.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Here's the glass.
Thank.
Okay, now you don't have any work now.
Yes, I have more work in house.
Okay, you one thing you do, you go and iron my dress, then you go for your work. I'm going outside with my friends.
See, Milan, just iron his dress. He needs to go out, right? Okay, please do it. Okay. Oh.
Okay, Mama.
So, Milan, how will you arrange for the money if even if you continue your studies?
I can find the money for my study myself, take tuition for kids, do something my work, any craft work. Please, Mama, I don't my
Milan,
marriage.
where is my shirt? I'm getting late. Give me fast.
Milan, we will talk later. Give that shirt to him. First iron it first.
Okay, Mama.
No, I don't want this. Here's lines in this, and you take that white shirt and bring it now. I don't want any lines in that. This I
Why
won't
are you
wear. Take it away.
See, at that time, she want to study.
Ma'am, Mama, Papa, you don't
She
give
says she
money.
will earn the money.
Mama, please.
How you will earn the money? Tell
I
me.
will teach. I will teach that for kids and some homemade product and by selling. That way I will find the money, Mama. Please,
Your
Father,
study
what
is
is
your
your opinion?
responsibility.
Okay,
I
since we
think-
don't
Milan,
have
where
any
is my
money,
shoe? I'm
Bindu.
getting late. Where's my
Oh,
shoe?
Oh my God, nobody listens to me.
Milan! Milan! Where are you?
Oh, since we don't have any money, let her go and earn. We don't have any money to arrange for her wedding.
Father, what
Nobody.
is your opinion about Milan earning money?
Nobody to me in this house.
I think it is if she's saying me many more times. That's why I think we send it for study. Your study is your own responsibility. I just help for her. That's all. Are you
Okay,
ready,
Milan.
Milan?
okay.
Mama,
Say,
ask her to take my shoe. So I was shouting with her. She's not
Milan, go
listening to
take
me.
his shoes and give him. After that, we will take a decision. Go,
Oh.
take that shoes
Papa,
and give him.
please give me some money. I'm going outside.
Okay, I will give you. What is the reason? What?
Just we have passed +2, so we all are going for a trip. So tomorrow evening I will reach.
Okay, I will give
Oh.
you
So please give me
1,000
some
rupees
money.
on 1,000 rupees only. I will give you.
No,
Okay,
Papa, please 5,000, Papa, please, Papa, please, please, please.
5,000. Oh, in this corona, we have
Please,
no work.
Papa, please, please. No problem, Papa. Please, Papa.
Okay, take it.
Thank you. I love you.
Hmm.
Okay, take care,
See,
my
Milan,
son.
Okay, Mama,
see,
Papa.
Milan,
Yeah,
what
Mama.
we are going to say is your studies are your responsibility. Is that okay for you? Then you
Okay.
can
That is
continue.
good idea.
Okay.
But you
Okay.
have to look proposals for her. Okay? She can't remain like this. All people started asking me. All our neighbors, that Shanda, Lashmi, everybody is asking, why don't you get her married? I don't know what
I'm
I
also
will
Okay,
thinking.
okay, Bindu, you can say anything to them, but please let her continue because we don't have money.
Mama, my friend has a brother. He asking, shall he get married with my sister, Milan? So I asked, I will tell to my family.
What is he doing, my dear son?
He's working as an accountant.
Okay,
So they told that they don't need any dowry and all.
A good
okay,
idea.
that's a good idea. But
So
after
it's
marriage,
good that then she don't want to study also. We can make her go married.
So, Milan, what do you have to
oh,
say about it? You still want to continue
Hmm.
No, Mom. No,
your
I
studies?
want to study. I want to study, Mama. Please. I'm not
Okay.
interested in marriage.
See, Milan, I think we will do something, Father. Let those people come and see Milan. And let's say about her interest to study. If they are willing, let them teach them her. What's your opinion, Father?
that is good idea. I want to ask that Palakkad party. I want to ask which is more better case that we can proceed.
Yes, yes. Yes, Father, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, Milan. Let's see what we can do about it. Okay.
So burdened on her, and she's very hardworking and sincere towards her studies also. And finally, After 2 years, she completes her course and achieves her goal. And she also gets a job in a nearby school. And she's also married to a person who is very supportive and kind as a husband.
Our Milan, she's
Yeah, I
earning a
have.
big salary now.
Yeah, I have no words. No words. My eyes are covered with tears. Congrats, my dear
Hard
son.
work,
My
Thank you,
sincerity.
Thank you,
Milan, I
Grandma.
am really sorry. Thank you so much because you opened my eyes that you and I are equal.
Okay, we all have
Okay.
to accept now that hard work, sincerity, and perseverance always get good results.
Yes. Yes, she have achieved her goal. What we want to say is, don't cut her wings when she wants to fly. Give her a chance when she wants to try. Thank you.